Hey developers, if you've built your app with Bolt and now want to publish it live, you're in the right place. First, open your Bolt dashboard and make sure your project is complete. Test all your pages, buttons, and features to ensure everything works properly. Next, go to the Publish section in the top right corner of your workspace. Here, you'll see options to preview, export, or publish your app. Click on Publish, and Bolt will ask you to choose your publishing method. Either host it on Bolt servers or export the project's code to host it on your own domain. If you choose Bolt hosting, simply add your app name, customize your subdomain, for example, your app.bolt.fun, and click Publish Now. Your app will go live instantly, and Bolt will show you the public URL to share. If you want to connect a custom domain, go to the Domain Settings section, add your domain, and follow the DNS instructions shown on the screen. After it's verified, your app will be accessible directly from your own website link. And that's it. Your Bolt app is now published and live for the world to see.